So this was a fairly routine case. I started by injecting trypan blue to stain the anterior capsule. The anterior chamber was filled with dispersive viscoelastic. The initial tear was made with the Utrala forceps, as I usually do. The capsular rexis was conducted with no issues at this time. As you can see, the viscoelastic started to come out through the main incision. At this time, with a flatter anterior chamber, I started to have some difficulties to grasp the flap. Even though pulling to the center, the rexis runs out beneath the iris. I thought it was gone, but after injecting some more viscoelastic, it was clear that the rexis didn't reach the zonular fibers. With a little technique, I was able to rescue the tear and complete a continuous rexis. Here we can see with more zoom how it is done. Phaco was done with no issues. You can check my parameters in the description below. And finally, a 3-piece lens was injected into the capsular bag. Now remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.